All right, well, Kevin came down and we set the timing on his bike at idle, and sounds good. Sitting here, Kevin is going to take it out and give it a ride. Let's see if he remembers he's on a Norton. That's right, it's normal shift. Okay. Okay, I adjusted the primary, cleaned the pilot jets and I adjusted them, adjusted the idle, and I'm gonna let it go. That's great. I don't know if the red light's supposed to go off to show charge. We've got LEDs in here, so that might be an effect. We do have the headlight flashing. It surges when we it's charging, okay? So, I'm gonna let the bike go. It's daylight, you can't tell. We can take, never mind, we're going to take the headlight apart. All right, go ahead and ignition on.
Pilot only.
Pilot only. Okay.
Headlight.
Headlight.
Low beam.
No beam.
High beam.
Okay,
Low
we're
beam.
good. And the reason we didn't have a headlight was this silly pilot switch over here. We have to watch that to make darn sure it's on headlight and not pilot. So, I tell you what, I usually take this off, cover it over with black plastic. This is the dumbest switch in the world. So anyway, I'm ready to release it.
Absolutely.
We got a better idle. I did the pilot jets and got a better idle. And once you have a good idle, the chain slap in the primary goes away because it's such a slack chain under low pressure. That's all. It just needs to idle smoothly. We're ready to release this. We're gonna take this one down and we're gonna park it over there where Richard's over there relaxing. Say hi to the world, Richard. Hi, world. And let's put Fred back up on lift, but not necessarily work on him. We'll talk about that. Okay? Beauty is sitting here. It's completely complete. That's not you, Richard. I'm talking about the bike when I say Beauty. Beauty's sitting here. We're going to release him to the client. I got a better idle out of it. Once you get a good idle, the chain slap in the primary stops. Remember, we're running a very, very loose primary chain in these 75s, and until that hydraulic tensioner gets full of oil and turns firm, they'll do that. I have no problem releasing the bike, and we are going to release the bike to the client.